Hello everyone, welcome to the military channel. Let's just talk about it. An aircraft carrier is the designation of a warship that contains a large number of fighter aircraft. Its job is to transfer air power into the naval fleet in support of naval operations. In addition, it is also used as a command center for operations and as a deterrent force or gives an effect of fear to the opponent. As ships that carry aircraft carriers have higher combat flexibility than other types of warships. Apart from combat uses, aircraft carriers also have other functions such as reconnaissance, air superiority, or providing assistance. In the United States Navy, it consists of ships assigned with the hull classification symbols CV carrier, CVA, attack aircraft carrier, CVB, large aircraft carrier, CVL, light aircraft carrier, CVN, carrier nuclear propulsion. Starting with the Forrestal class, CV-59 to present all aircraft carriers assigned to service are classified as supercarriers. The United States Navy has also used escort carriers, CVE, and aircraft carriers, ZRS. This list does not include the various amphibious warships that can operate as aircraft carriers. It has an overall length of 1,092 feet, 333 meters, and a submerged load of approximately 100,000 to 104,000 long tons, 102,000 to 106,000 tons. They have a beam at water level of 135 featuring 41 meters, and their maximum flight deck width is 251 feet 10 to 257 feet 3 in, 77.76 meters to 78.41 meters, depending on variant. Able to sail around the ocean without stopping. The cost of building one aircraft carrier is around 4.5 billion United States dollars, about 40 trillion Indonesian rupiahs, so that when the total price of the entire fleet of ships is 45 billion United States dollars, about 400 trillion Indonesian rupiahs. With this the video ends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.